In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a subscription on Squarespace. We're going to walk through each step so you can get your website up and running with ease. To start with, you'll want to head over to your Squarespace homepage. This is your control center for all things related to your website, so finding your way here right at the beginning will set us up for a smooth process. Once you're on your Squarespace home, the next thing you need to do is navigate to your settings. Think of the settings as your website's toolkit where you manage everything from design elements to administrative tasks. Clicking on Settings will open up a variety of options for configuring your site the way you'd like. With the Settings panel open, look for Site Availability. This section is particularly important because it determines who can see your site and what level of interaction they can have. Click on Site Availability to proceed. Here you're going to see an option to upgrade to publish. This is crucial for moving from the free version to a paid subscription where your site can be visible to the public. So go ahead and click on Upgrade to Publish. Now you'll be presented with a selection of plans. Each plan gives a different array of features and options at varying price points, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your needs. You can take a moment to compare what each plan offers before making your selection. After you've decided on a plan, you'll need to click on Select. This confirms your choice and starts the process towards securing your subscription. Following the plan selection, you'll be asked to choose a billing cycle. This could be monthly or annually, depending on what makes sense for your financial and business plans. Once you pick your desired billing cycle, proceed to click on Confirm Selection. In the next step, you'll have to fill out your billing address. It's a straightforward task, but make sure the address details are accurate to avoid any hiccups down the line. Once you've filled in the required details, hit Save and Continue. You're nearly there. The next piece of information they require is your payment information. Choose your preferred payment method, whether it's a credit card or another form of payment, and fill in the necessary details. Double-check everything to ensure no errors have crept in. With all that entered, click on Save and Continue again to finalize your information. And just like that, your subscription is set up, ready to unlock new possibilities for your Squarespace website. Thanks for following along. Be sure to check out the rest of our content to get the most out of your online presence.